Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a website which will help you to understand what would be the future. If you are interested in artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence will change the life of the people, how artificial intelligence will impact the job sector, medical sector, or sales in startups in different kind of field in YouTube. How those AI tools will impact all those categories, all those sectors. So this video is about so this video is for you guys because this website is amazing and you will get updated about all the news which has been covered around the world with by news channels, very big news channels like Guardian, BBC, Indian Express, whatever kind of news about artificial intelligence they have published it, you will get on this website. So let's start the video guys. Firstly, you will have to open this website, futurepedia.io. Then you will have to you will come to this website, futurepedia.io. Just open this website. And this is the interface of the website guys. So see, this is the interface of this website, and see AI tools added today. 27 AI tools have been launched, and all the AI tools are verified here, guys. This is not a very common website. This is, and anyone can just make AI tools, and they will you will get update about those tools here. No, it's not like that. All the tools are verified, and whatever kind of news have been added and have been covered by around the world by news channels, you by clicking on that you will get to know about all those news. So click on that. See, money control have covered this fake AI image of Pentagon news. Infosys reveals generative AI platform to pause. Indian Express have just given the article, written the article. See, Guardian have covered this news. So, and see, go down, and BBC have covered this artificial intelligence news. So, you will get updated about all those news which has been covered by top class business channels at one place. So go to the home page and see. We will see the categories, guys. Whatever categories of AI tools available here on this website. So by clicking on that, you will come to this page and see. For copywriting, 150 tools, 52 tools have been launched, have been created for email assistance, for general writing, for paraphrasing prompts, social media assistance, for art, image related. See, guys, for image generator, 130 tools are here. Image generator tool. By clicking on that, see, there would be every tool which has been launched so far. So some tools are free of cost, some tools are paid. So, and if you wanna go on this website, any one of website, by clicking on that, by click here, and you will come to this website, guys. And you can just check out whatever kind of tool have been launched. By going down, see, you will get every kind of you know uh, AI tool here. So these are the things. These are the AI generated tool recently launched. So go to the categories, view all categories, and see, guys, whatever kind of tool have been launched so far, and in that area, whatever kind of area and sector the AI tool is getting developed. So you can just check out. For customer support, 102 tools uh, they have launched. So I guess in 5 to 10 years, customer whoever is working in BPOs, that job will be in danger, guys. For education, for finance, in human resource, for presentation, for real estate. So they have covered everything, like in datings, in experiment, in fitness, in healthcare. Healthcare will be amazed, guys, with the help of AI. In AI, they have launched 44 AI tools for search engine, 87 search engines tools like Andy is there. Andy search you can check out, guys. That is also very interesting. For traveling, 32, 30, two tools are there. So if you wanna know and if you wanna check out, just check out all the tools, guys. All the tools have been covered here. All the tools you will get the link and about information in at one place, guys. So I hope this website you like this website. So thanks for watching, guys. If you wanna support us, please subscribe the channel because it takes hours to find this kind of website for you. So thank you. Have a good day, guys.